Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Concept Cars. Today we're diving into the brand new 2026 Tesla Model X, and let me tell you, this is not just an upgrade. It's a glimpse into the future of electric SUVs. Tesla has once again pushed the boundaries with cutting-edge technology, insane performance, and jaw-dropping design. So buckle up because we're about to explore everything you need to know about the next-gen Model X. First things first, let's talk about the design. The 2026 Model X keeps its signature Falcon-wing doors, but the body has been refined for even better aerodynamics and efficiency. The sleek fastback-style roofline and hidden door handles give it a futuristic look, while the new LED light bar in the front adds a bold, modern touch. And let's talk about colors. Tesla is offering some stunning new options, including midnight silver metallic, deep blue metallic, and red multi-coat. This SUV doesn't just turn heads, it demands attention. Now, this is where things get really exciting. Under the hood, well, technically under the floor, the dual motor setup delivers a mind-blowing 670 horsepower and instant torque, launching this beast from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.8 seconds. And for those of you worried about range, Tesla has got you covered. The 2026 Model X boasts an EPA estimated range of up to 329 miles, 529 km, on a single charge. Plus, with Tesla's new ultra-fast charging technology, you can add over 180 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Before we dive into the interior and tech, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you buy the 2026 Model X, or is another EV catching your eye? I want to hear your thoughts. Alright, let's step inside. The 17-inch touchscreen display remains the centerpiece of the dashboard, featuring Tesla's latest AI-driven interface with voice commands, real-time navigation, and full streaming services. And check this out, the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster now includes an augmented reality heads-up display. This means real-time navigation overlays directly on your windshield. Talk about driving in the future. Passengers in the back? They get their own 8-inch touchscreen, controlling climate, music, and even built-in gaming features. Plus, the 22-inch speaker premium sound system turns your Model X into a rolling concert hall. So, what do you think? The 2026 Tesla Model X isn't just an electric SUV. It's a statement. With cutting-edge performance, game-changing tech, and Tesla's signature innovation, this might just be the most advanced SUV on the planet. Let me know in the comments, is this your dream EV, or are you waiting for something even crazier? And if you haven't already, subscribe to Future Concept Cars so you never miss out on the latest futuristic vehicles. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.